The future of the human mind. The human mind has shaped everything we know. It built civilizations, imagined gods, decoded nature, and reached for the stars. Yet today, for the first time in history, the human mind itself is becoming the subject of transformation, not through philosophy alone, but through science, technology, and artificial intelligence. The question is no longer what the mind is, but what it may become. 1. The mind that built the world. For thousands of years, the human mind evolved through survival, culture, and social connection. Memory, emotion, creativity, and reasoning allowed humans to dominate their environment. Despite its complexity, the mind remained biologically constrained. Learning was slow. Memory was fragile. Cognition declined with age. For most of history, these limits were accepted as permanent. That assumption is now being challenged. 2. Understanding the brain. Modern neuroscience has revealed that the mind emerges from networks of billions of neurons, connected through trillions of synapses. Thoughts, emotions, and identity are not abstract forces. They are physical processes. Brain imaging technologies now allow scientists to observe decision-making, memory formation, and emotional responses in real time. This growing understanding has transformed the brain from a mystery into a system, one that may be influenced, enhanced, or altered. 3. Cognitive enhancement. The first changes to the human mind are already underway. Nootropic substances aim to improve focus and memory. Neurostimulation techniques influence attention and mood. Brain-computer interfaces allow direct communication between neural signals and machines. These technologies do not replace the mind. They extend it. While early applications focus on treating disease, the same tools raise the possibility of enhancement beyond natural limits. 4. Artificial intelligence and human thought. Artificial intelligence now performs tasks once thought to require human intelligence. It recognizes patterns, generates language, and learns from experience. This raises a critical question. Will AI replace human thinking or reshape it? Many researchers believe the future lies in collaboration, not competition. AI may act as a cognitive partner, amplifying human reasoning rather than replacing it. The human mind may become increasingly augmented by external intelligence. 5. Memory, identity, and the digital mind. Memory defines personal identity. It shapes who we are and how we understand the world. Emerging technologies explore the possibility of storing, modifying, or restoring memories. Digital records already function as external memory. In the future, the boundary between biological memory and digital storage may blur. This raises profound questions. If memories can be altered, what remains of identity? Where does the self begin and end? 6. Emotional and social evolution. The future of the mind is not purely intellectual. Emotions drive decision-making, empathy, and social cohesion. Technology increasingly influences emotional states through digital environments and constant stimulation. Virtual realities, social networks, and immersive media reshape attention and perception. Some scientists warn of cognitive overload and reduced emotional depth. Others suggest new forms of empathy and connection may emerge. The outcome remains uncertain. 7. Inequality of the mind. As cognitive technologies advance, access becomes critical. Enhanced cognition may offer advantages in learning, productivity, and creativity. If access is unequal, cognitive inequality could surpass economic inequality. The future of the human mind may depend less on biology and more on policy, ethics, and social choice. 8. What remains unknown? Despite progress, the mind remains partially unexplained. Consciousness itself has no definitive scientific definition. Subjective experience cannot yet be fully measured or replicated. Even as technology advances, fundamental questions persist. Why do we experience awareness? Can consciousness exist outside biology? The future of the mind is shaped as much by uncertainty as by knowledge. The human mind has always evolved, but never before with such speed or such intention. Science and technology are expanding its boundaries, challenging ideas of identity, intelligence, and selfhood. Whether this future leads to enlightenment or fragmentation depends not on technology alone, but on how humanity chooses to use it. If this documentary expanded your perspective, consider liking the video and subscribing to Interesting MindHub. Here, we explore the future of humanity before it becomes our present.